Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to fix Discord if it's giving you a black screen while doing a stream or doing a screen share. If you have a lot of problems with Discord, this video is for you. We are going to do very simple steps and those are very effective and we will be able to fix this together. Now, the very first thing you need to do is to close Discord completely. Now, at the bottom right corner, you have this up arrow key. And if you see Discord here, then just do a right click and click on quit. Once you do that, once you see that it has been closed, then click on start, search Discord and do a right click and run as an administrator. If it doesn't work, then simple restart the computer and then run as an administrator should work. And if it doesn't work, then we need to open the Discord. I'll just quickly open it here. So once the Discord is opened, we are going to check the settings and there are certain things which we need to uncheck. So I'll tell you what exactly is there. So here you need to click on this settings icon and scroll it down and look for voice and video. Now once you find it, click on that and here scroll it down to the bottom and you will find video codec. So open H.264 video codec provided by Cisco Systems. Now this should be turned off. Now once you turn off, this will automatically turn off the hardware acceleration. So once the hardware acceleration is turned off, check if it's working for you or not. And there is one more thing which is default activated and we don't require it. I'll just scroll it down. Now here, use our latest technology to capture your screen. So if it's turned on, turn it off and use an experimental method to capture audio from application. This should be also turned off. And then try restart the computer and then try using the Discord. And if it's still creating a problem for you, then I would recommend to uninstall Discord completely. You can simply press Window and R and here you need to type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. Now from here you can uninstall the Discord. We can also remove cache, especially the Discord one. So for that press Window and R and here type %appdata %. I'll just maximize it so that you can see. Here we go. So once you have typed it, hit OK and here you will find Discord. So just do a double click, press Ctrl A and Shift Delete. Once you are done, restart the computer and reinstall the Discord and most probably your issue will be fixed. And if you're using NVIDIA or AMD or Intel, no matter which graphics you're using, please make sure that you have all the latest updates. So for that you can go to Device Manager by just doing a right click and then go to Device Manager, and from here you can go to Display Adapters and do a right click and update driver. If it works, well and good. If it doesn't, then visit the manufacturer's website and from there download the NVIDIA or AMD graphics. That also helps while streaming. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.